They say life is a story. But the question is, who's writing yours? Too often, we live as if we're background characters, obeying routines, following expectations, trapped in someday thinking. Someday I'll chase my dreams. Someday I'll take that risk. Someday I'll start truly living. But heroes don't wait for someday. Heroes act. They stumble. They bleed. But they move forward. Being the hero of your life doesn't mean you never fall. It means you rise every time you do. You see, life will test you. It will throw storms, heartbreaks, and failures your way, not to break you, but to build you. And the truth is, no one's coming to save you. No mentor, no miracle, not until you decide to save yourself. The moment you take responsibility for your story, that's the moment your life changes. Heroes aren't born, they are built. From pain, from passion, from persistence. You become a hero when you say, "This is my life. I own it. The good, the bad, all of it, and I will write the ending." Remember, a hero doesn't run from fear. A hero walks through it, step by step, breath by breath. You will feel doubt. You will hear voices. Who do you think you are? You'll never make it. You're not good enough. But you answer back, "I am the author. I'm not finished yet." Because here's the secret. You already have what it takes. Not tomorrow, not in 10 years. Now. You just need to remember who you are. Look back. See everything you've survived. The nights you didn't think you'd get through. The battles no one even knows you fought. You're still standing. That's power. You are not ordinary. You are not broken. You are becoming. And heroes, they're made in the becoming. So choose to show up. Even when it's hard, choose to try again. Even when you're tired, choose to love. Even after being hurt, that is courage. That is strength. That is what makes a hero. You don't need permission to change, to leave the past behind, to become someone new. You just need to decide right now, right here. Not because it's easy, but because you're worth it. Write the chapter where you rise, where you take the leap, where you finally stop asking, "What if?" and start saying, "Watch me." Because the world doesn't need more copies. It needs the real you. Raw, brave, flawed, alive. You were never meant to live in the shadows. You were meant to light fires, to speak truth, to live loudly. You are not too late. You are not too far gone. You are exactly where the hero begins. So, what will you do? Will you stay in the safe chapter? Or will you turn the page? Because every second is a chance to begin again. Every breath is proof. You still have time. Time to change. Time to grow. Time to become. Be bold. Be honest. Be relentless. And whatever you do, don't give your pen to anyone else. This is your story. Write it like your life depends on it, because it does. Be the hero of your own life.